once again to the online lecture of BSc Analytical Chemistry class second year. In last lecture we have learned about the estimation of main constituent in the pyrolusite ore as well as in the bauxite ore. Today we are going to learn about the estimation of main constituent in the limestone ore. Limestone ore contains mainly what the calcium oxide. So a limestone, or is also known as a dolomite ore, is a basically equimolar mixture of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. That means it contains 1:1 mixture of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Hence it is a ore of calcium and magnesium. So the other important ores, that is calcium and magnesium, which are closely related to the dolomite in composition of the ore. So what are the composition of the what is the composition of limestone? That is what calcite, that is what the pure CaCO3 contains in the calcite ore. Dolomite ore contains a calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate in 1:1% proportion. In magnesite ore, pure magnesium carbonate is there. In limestone, 70% of calcium carbonate plus magnesium carbonate and 8% of SiO2, 10% of Fe2O3 and 6% of Al2O3 is there. So this is what the limestone, what the composition of limestone. So therefore the limestone ore and all the other ores of the calcium and magnesium are composed of following major constituent, that is what the calcium, magnesium, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, silica, aluminum oxide and iron oxide, that is what the CaO, MgO, SiO2, Al2O3 and Fe2O3. Therefore, the analysis of limestone ore involves the estimation of moisture, estimation of loss on ignition, estimation of SiO2, estimation of calcium oxide and estimation of magnesium oxide. So let's start with the analysis of the component, that is what the moisture, loss on ignition, SiO2, calcium oxide and magnesium oxide. So sampling of the ore, that is nothing but limestone. Before the analysis of dolomite or limestone is subjected for a sampling, first the naturally occurring dolomite or ore is crushed in jaw crusher and hammer mills and a gross sample of the ore is obtained. So firstly what the it is get crushed by means of the jaw crusher and hammer mills, and we will get the sample of, that is gross sample of ore. Then the gross sample so obtained is further reduced in the particle size to 100 mesh size by pulverizing in a ball mill and reduced in quantity by any one of the methods such as a long pile alternative method or coning quartering method, shovel method or coning quartering method, or by the tabling, rifle splitting method, or by the use of mechanical dividers. The laboratory samples so prepared is stored in a airtight bottle and used for the analysis. So this is what the sampling of the ore. Then next one is the estimation of moisture. First one is the estimation of moisture. We accurately about 1 gram of the dolomite ore sample in a platinum crucible. Place it in a oven maintained at 105 to 110 degrees Celsius till a constant weight is obtained. Cool in a desiccator and immediately weigh during heating of the ore at about 105 degrees Celsius. The moisture water present in the ore is expelled out. As a result of the ore experiences a weight loss which is equivalent to the amount of moisture present in the dolomite ore, or that is nothing but the limestone ore. From the weight loss, that is the amount of moisture, that is percentage of the moisture in dolomite ore is calculated, or in the limestone ore is calculated. Percentage of moisture in dolomite or limestone is equal to weight loss into 100 divided by weight of dolomite ore or limestone ore. So what we will have to do for the estimation of moisture in the ore? Firstly, take the sample 1 gram of the dolomite sample, dolomite or the limestone sample in a platinum crucible. Place it in a oven, maintain at about 105 degree to 110 degrees Celsius till a constant weight is obtained. Cool in a desiccator and immediately weigh during the heating of the ore at 105 degrees Celsius. The moisture, that is water, present in the ore is expelled out. As a result, the ore experiences a weight loss which is equivalent to the amount of moisture present in the dolomite ore. From the weight loss, that is the amount of moisture present, percentage of the moisture in a dolomite or the limestone ore is calculated by means of the formula percent, that percentage of the moisture in the dolomite or limestone ore is equal to weight loss into 100 divided by weight of dolomite ore. So in this way we, can calculate the amount of moisture present in the given limestone ore. Then estimation of loss on ignition, that is nothing but LOI. This estimation is carried out only for carbonate ores. The determination of loss on ignition is a direct measure of the CaCO3 or MgCO3 percentage, or calcium carbonate plus magnesium carbonate percentage in the dolomite ore or calcium, that is what the limestone ore. When the dolomite sample containing calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate is ignited about 700 degrees Celsius, the CO2 from the calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate expelled out. As a result, the ore experiences weight loss due to the loss of CO2. The weight loss due to loss of CO2 is a direct measure of the percentage of CaCO3 or MgCO3 percentage of the CaCO3 plus MgCO3 in the dolomite ore or limestone ore. For the method, that is what is the estimation of LOI? Simple, it is what the heating me at the 700 degrees Celsius. The sample of ore is heated in furnace is about 700 degrees Celsius. Then the CO2 from the MgCO3 and CaCO3, CO2 is expelled out as a carbon dioxide gas, and whatever the amount of CO2 is what expelled out, and that ore sample experiences the weight loss, and this loss in the weight is nothing but the amount of magnesium carbonate and calcium carbonate present in the given limestone or dolomite ore. What is the method for that? The weigh accurately about 1 gram of dolomite ore in a platinum crucible. Remove the moisture by placing it in a oven at 110 degrees Celsius. Then reweigh the crucible with ore sample and ignite at 700 degrees Celsius till a constant weight is obtained. When the CO2 is expelled out, cool in a desiccator and weigh. Find out the weight loss at 700 degrees Celsius due to expulsion of the or loss of the CO2. From the weight loss at 700 degrees Celsius, the loss on ignition percentage is calculated, and also the percentage of CaCO3 or MgCO3, that is CaCO3 plus MgCO3 in dolomite is calculated by means of the formula LOI percent, that is nothing but loss on ignition, is equal to weight loss into 100 divided by weight of the ore, that is dolomite or limestone ore. So percentage of that of CaCO3, MgCO3 or calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate is equal to LOI percent into conversion factor. So dissolution of the limestone ore. Since limestone contains carbonates of calcium and magnesium, the dolomite ore is readily easily soluble in the dilute hydrochloric acid. Dissolve the 1 gram of the accurately weighed dolomite sample in dilute HCl with the help of little distilled water. When dolomite ore is dissolved in the dilute HCl, all the constituents such as CaO, MgO, Fe2O3 and Al2O3 remain in the dissolved form, and whereas the silica SiO2 remains in the undissolved form. So estimation of SiO2: after dissolving 1 gram of the dolomite ore in the dilute HCl, the undissolved silica is filtered through a Whatman filter paper number 41. Wash the SiO2 particles with 2-3 times portions of the water. Dry on hot cone and transfer the filter paper containing SiO2 particle to a pre-weighed platinum crucible. Incinerate initially on low flame and finally ignite at about 700 degrees Celsius till a constant weight is obtained. Cool in a desiccator and weigh as a SiO2. From the weight of SiO2 residue, the percentage of the SiO2 in dolomite is calculated with the formula: percentage of SiO2 in dolomite is equal to weight of SiO2 residue into 100 divided by weight of dolomite ore. So, how will you estimate the SiO2 present in the given dolomite or limestone ore? After dissolving 1 gram of the dolomite ore in dilute HCl, the undissolved silica is filtered through a Whatman filter paper number 41. Wash the SiO2 particles with 2-3 times with a small portion of hot water. Dry on a hot cone and transfer the filter paper containing SiO2 particle to the pre-weighed platinum crucible. Incinerate initially on low flame and finally ignite at about 700 degrees Celsius till a constant weight is obtained. Cool in a desiccator and weigh as a SiO2. From the weight of SiO2 residue, the percentage of SiO2 in the dolomite is calculated. The percent of SiO2 in dolomite is equal to weight of SiO2 residue into 100 divided by weight of dolomite ore. In this way, we can able to calculate the amount of SiO2 present in the given limestone ore or dolomite ore. Then second, estimation of calcium oxide in the limestone. So the filtrate free from SiO2 R2O3 is used for the estimation of CaO in dolomite ore. The above filtrate is heated to the boiling and then to the hot solution of sufficient volume of ammonium oxalate, that is NH4 twice C2O4 reagent is added. When calcium plus 2 get precipitated as calcium oxalate, that is CaC2O4 C. So what is the reaction? Ca plus NH4 twice C2O4 gives calcium oxalate PPT, that is CaC2O4 plus 2NH4 plus the ammonium ion. So the calcium oxalate PPT is digested for 1 to 2 hours. Filter the calcium oxalate PPT through a Whatman filter paper number 42. Wash the calcium oxalate PPT with the very dilute reagent of ammonium oxalate solution. Dry the filter paper with the precipitate on hot cone. Transfer the filter paper containing CaC2O4, that is nothing but calcium oxalate PPT, to a pre-weighed platinum crucible. Then incinerate, carbonize initially at low temperature on a burner or in a muffle furnace without inflaming. After that, ignite the finally at about 700 degrees Celsius till a constant weight is obtained. Cool in a desiccator and weigh the residue as calcium oxide. From the weight of calcium oxide residue and a suitable conversion factor, the percentage of calcium oxide in the dolomite ore is calculated. So, percentage of calcium oxide in dolomite ore is equal to weight of calcium oxide residue into conversion factor into 100 divided by weight of dolomite ore or limestone ore. So in this way we can able to estimate the amount of calcium oxide as a what calcium oxalate present in the limestone ore. Next one, estimation of magnesium oxide in the limestone ore. So the filtrate preform SiO2, R2O3 and CaO is used for the estimation of magnesium oxide in dolomite or limestone ore. The above filtrate is heated to boiling and to the hot solution add sufficient volume of ammonium hydrogen phosphate reagent, that is nothing but NH4 twice HPO4. When Mg plus 2 get precipitated as a magnesium ammonium phosphate, then what is the reaction? That is what Mg plus NH4 twice HPO4 will get the magnesium ammonium phosphate MgNH4PO4 plus ammonium ion. Digest the magnesium ammonium phosphate PPT for 5 to 6 hours. Filter the magnesium ammonium phosphate PPT through a Wattmann filter paper number 42. Wash the magnesium ammonium phosphate PPT with a very dilute reagent of ammonium hydrogen phosphate solution. Dry the PPT along with filter paper and funnel on a hot cone. Transfer the magnesium ammonium phosphate PPT along with the filter paper. Incinerate the ammonium, that is magnesium ammonium phosphate PPT initially at a low temperature, and after that on burner or in the muffle furnace. Ignite finally at 700 to 800 degrees Celsius in a muffle furnace and till a constant weight is obtained. Cool in a desiccator. Weigh the residue as a Mg2P2O7, that is magnesium pyrophosphate. Then from the weight of magnesium pyrophosphate residue and a suitable conversion factor, the percentage of the MgO in dolomite ore is calculated. The percentage of MgO in the limestone or dolomite is equal to weight of magnesium pyrophosphate residue into conversion factor into 100 divided by weight of limestone ore or dolomite ore. So in this way we can able to calculate the amount of magnesium oxide present in the given dolomite or limestone ore. So this is what the precipitation of the magnesium by means of magnesium ammonium phosphate, that is what the ammonium hydrogen phosphate to magnesium pyrophosphate. So in this way we can able to analyze or estimate the main constituent limestone ore. So if you have any queries regarding the topic, please comment your questions in the YouTube comment box. I will try to answer. Thank you. Thanks.